Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn how to create our very first HTML application. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It simply means the language we use to design and write web pages. Think of a web page like a digital page in a book, but instead of holding the book, you see it in your browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Opera. And behind every web page, HTML is quietly working. What a tag? Now HTML work with tag. Tag are like secret code we give to the browser. They are always written inside the angle bracket. For example, if I write h1 tag, the browser know that means this text is a heading, so it will make the text big and bold. If I write p tag, the browser say this is a paragraph, so I will display it like a normal text. Every HTML page has a proper structure. Let's break it down. Doctype HTML. This line tells the browser that we are using HTML5, which is the latest version. HTML, this is the root container. Everything goes inside this. Head, this part hold hidden information like the title of the page. Title, this show the text in the browser tab. Body, this is the main visible part where we write heading, paragraph, images, and more. So you can imagine head is the brain, body is the actual face that we see on the browser. Now let's actually write our first program. We will use Notepad for this. First open Notepad. Alright student, let's create our first HTML web page together. On my screen you can see the code I have typed in Notepad. Let's go so you can understand exactly what each part means. This doc type HTML, this line tells the browser that we are using HTML5, the latest version of HTML. Without this, the browser may get confused about how to read the page. HTML, this is the root tag. Think of it as the outer box that contains everything on your web page. We will close it at the very end with slash html. The head section store information about the web page that you don't directly see on the web page itself. For example, the title tag here control what you see on the browser tab. When we open this file in Chrome or Edge or Opera, the tab will say my first web page. The body section is where the visible content of your page goes inside it. Head h1 tag make a large heading. R says welcome to my website. P tag is a paragraph tag. Here I have written a simple line saying this is my first web page and I am learning HTML in the ninth class. Everything you put in the body will appear in the browser window. After writing your HTML code in Notepad, go to the top menu and click File, Save As. Save means update the same file in the same place. Save as let you save with a new name or in a new location. For the first time, always use save as. In the file name box, type index.html. First, choose a place to save your file. It is better to create a new folder with the name webpage on your desktop. In the Save As type drop-down menu, select All File. This is very important, otherwise your file may save as a text file instead of an HTML file. At the bottom, select encoding UTF-8 and finally click Save. Your file will be saved. After save the file, close Notepad. Now go to the folder where you saved your file. You will see index.html there. Double click on it. The file will open in your web browser. On the top tab, you will see the title My First Web Page. On the page, you will see a big heading Welcome to my website. And just below that, you will see a paragraph. This is my first web page. I am learning HTML in class 9. Congratulations, you have successfully created and opened your first web page. Now close the browser window. Let's make some changes to our web page. Go back to the folder where your file is saved. Right click on the file index.html. From the menu, choose Open With, then select Notepad. The file will open again in Notepad and now you can edit or modify your HTML code. Now inside Notepad file, I will remove the word welcome from heading tag. After make this change, go to the top menu and click on File, then select Save. Next, open your browser where the page is already running. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh arrow at the top of the browser. You will see that the heading has now changed. This is how you can edit your HTML file and see the updated result in your browser. Today you have learned how to write a simple HTML file in Notepad, save it correctly as index.html, open it in a web browser and make changes to your file and refresh to see the update. This is your first step in creating real web page. Keep practicing and very soon you will be able to design more advanced website. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.